So when we think about video understanding, this is probably what comes to your mind, right? So we build specific computer vision application for niche tasks like emotion recognition, pose estimation, object tracking, semantic segmentation, etc. And as a matter of fact, video understanding has not evolved a lot over the past century. Video was first invented back in 19th century, and back then, to consume them, you have to manually watch through the entire thing. And when the first speech-to-text model was commercialized in '96, now people was able to generate transcript right from the video. However, these transcripts are very difficult to read, and they're disconnected from the visual information of the video. And with the first convolutional neural networks introduced in '97 by Jan LeCun, all the way up until the 2012, 2014 area with AlexNet, ResNet, MobileNet, etc. We've been using like convolutional neural networks model to generate metadata and tags based on the video itself. The issue with this is like these tags cannot capture the full meaning or context of the video, and that can create like huge discrepancy. So I could argue that we are seeing the rise of video foundation models for video understanding. So just like how big model for language and image, things like GPT, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, we're gonna also building these video foundation models that can generate multimodal embeddings from video, and these embeddings can be wrapped in API, which can be enable a lot of downstream tasks. These tasks can then be consumed by video-centric application across a wide range of industry, as you can see in the slide, and then this application would then be consumed by the individual users and enterprise. And in this day and age, I believe that end users probably demand this application to be like real-time, intelligent from the get-go. So diving deeper into video foundation models, this model essentially generate video embeddings from the raw video data. So unlike some of the unimodal approach like text, image, and audio, if we can look at video as a modality, it's multimodal from scratch, right? There's visual information, there's text, there's speech inside the screen as well. And so when we build these video models, we generate multimodal embeddings from the raw video itself. And one of the most interesting downstream tasks of video embedding is video search. So think about semantic search, where you can find any specific moments, activities, objects, action happening inside the video by just typing a query and then interact with that, right? Recently, our team released a state-of-the-art video foundation model for any-to-any retrieval called Marengo 2.6. So this is a simple end-to-end diagram explaining how it works. Taking the input, we process both the visual, audio, and other elements, combine the embeddings together, and generate multimodal video representation towards the end. And this model empower our search API just to emphasize the fact that it's multimodal, right? It can capture complex relationship among different factors like images, sound, spoken words, and on-screen text. It can detect more fine-grained details that are frequently overlooked by the single model approach. And then finally, it supports natural language query for more intuitive user interaction, right? Besides video foundation model, I'm also super excited about the rise of video language modeling. So this is like a subset of multimodal LLM that combine, video and LLM together. So this is an architecture of another model that 12Lab has been developing in-house called Pegasus One. So taking video as input, and we process it, and then generate text as output. So think about like description, chapters, summaries, highlight, open-ended text, based on the video content itself. And we, wrap our model in a suite of API, as you've seen here. So we have a GIST API that generates the titles, topic, and hashtag from the video. We have a summary API that generates summaries, chapters, and highlight. And then the generate API, open-ended text. So think about you can question answering chatbot. You can ask the video what's happening, in this first minute, who's doing what, and then because the model has been already conditioned on the video itself and trained it can generate a very intelligent answer from the video content. I don't have time for the demo because this is a live talk, but if you're interested to learn more about video understanding our technology, we'd love to help you try out our technology on our playground and also join our Discord. So I'm very excited about multimodal. So I moderate a Discord server for researchers, developers, founders, specifically focused on multimodal AI, and we invite a lot of speakers on a virtual webinar and give this talk as well. So if you're excited about multimodal AI, we'd love to have you join us. Thank you. See you soon.